Hi, this is my GoTrainer beta presentation is 7015. This is my PowerPoint. I'm gonna share. Okay. My purpose is the GoTrainer is the mobile application that takes advantage from Xcode and Firebase, giving a helping hand to Ramsey personal trainers who have the difficulty on class management. The main functions include adding a trainer profile and creating a client list for this trainer, managing classes and time better, setting class schedules for each client in this trainer's list. This application is to solve the difficulty of managing classes and clients as much as possible, thereby optimizing the personal training service of Ramsey Student Center. I'm going to start firstly with the problem and the situation. Problem one, we don't have client info. We just have the name and classes number in an Excel chart. It's not enough. Let's imagine you have getting used to the Starbucks shooting your name when they give you a coffee, and you have getting used to you use any apps that stores and remember all the information, so there's no need to re-put and re-enter any one of your information. So when you feel the service that remembers you, that stores your information, you feel like that is customizable for you. You will feel um, safe and you will have more interaction with this product. So why can't our trainers remember or store the client info? So the question is, what is most important thing for a trainer, for a client who likes the personal training? Second problem is the overwhelming schedule. They have the complex schedule method, including 3 softwares. I have seen the field schedule in a calendar in my cell phone from my trainer friend. I think this is because they're UGA students who not only cover their study tasks, but also arrange, schedule the personal training for Ramsey personal training clients. So I'm thinking about why can't we take the training part out from all calendar to make it separate, appear to the training. Problem three, class info asymmetry. Clients who have bought more than 10 classes, 10, 15, or 20, which is biggest package, they hardly remember how many classes they already left and already taken. Because like, for example, 20 classes biggest package, this client will need a whole semester to finish this package. So why can't we just may think about a new way to present the data, present how many classes they're already taken and they already have to the clients more clearly to make more sense. So this class info asymmetry will no longer exist. User testing plan has 4 parts, but before we go to the user testing, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna new share with the simulator. It take a while. Give me 1 second. New share with the Xcode. Xcode, you enter the new page from Xcode. It is unique software for designing the iOS app. So we're gonna go to new share with the simulator. Okay, you can see the simulator from Xcode. Let's sign out. This is the landing page with Bulldog logo and welcome back our trainers. I also can create an account here. There's mistakes. So we go back, logging with my really uga.edu, which is I created before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me introduce the first thing. It's the layout. We're using 3 colors: bulldog white, black, and white, and which is like unique, special for UGA for Ramsey. And I'm using the font system font from Xcode. So I don't think the font thing is very big deal because the function is main problem. It's main issue. Let's say the function, the top is the trainer profile. It has an image here, but I'm gonna delete it because I don't think having an image is useful for the trainer own functions. The editor, we can edit name here. Once I done, yeah, edit, it's changed here. The client list is, it has 2 clients, Chris and Great. Let's say there are 2 4 shifts on today's schedule. I'm going to click the button and I can choose from this client to create any schedule, any classes for today, and also create any clients. Big you are and package 6. I save it. And this new client appears in my client list. Once I want to go to set schedule for this client, I can go to create schedule. And create, yes, you can see here, it is the schedule today, schedule Sunday, and Thursday. Today is Thursday. So the Thursday schedule appears here. The thing I should mention, if I click delete it, and 2 of his schedule has been deleted. So this is the 3 main parts: trainer profile, the client list, and today's schedule. So you can see the most important thing I mentioned on question 2. On the problem 2 is the most important thing should be the schedule. So I put the schedule here. Schedule and the detail. I should put the text message and email name, email address to below the name. So it's very convenient to contact my clients via any text message or email address. And schedule thing is very important. So I don't need to change it. Just it will repeat weekly. So it's very customizable for my client. It remembers and stores all the information, all important information about my client. And this is very special and unique for training, for trainers who really value personal training. So it's very necessary for them. And it has, the last thing is confirm and delete actions. The 2 actions will transmit it to the client, but the way I'm thinking about how to commit, how to transmit very well, like make more sense. So our demo is over. Let's go to back new share with my PowerPoint, my testing plans. It has 4 parts originally. Let's go to the step 1, 2. Step 1 is an interview, 5 interviews with 5 participants via Zoom. I'm going to list the needs up to these interviews. And step 2, we're going to do a questionnaire survey with 15 participants, hopefully 20 plus, to confirm need priority. These 2 steps are very connected because you can imagine if the need from 5 key users, the 5 key participants, doesn't overlap the need from 15 participants, 15 normal users. I think the user testing is meaningless and useless. It must be something wrong on them. And you may wondering, 5 participants, 5 key users, they're enough? Yes, they're enough. 5 key users joined me in 7005 and offered helpful suggestions like some real needs from them and offering the MVP suggestions. They're active on personal training, so they will be helpful and thoughtful. Um, let's go. The interview. Interview has 3 parts: pre-testing questions, testing questions, and post-testing questions. The first step is to collect background information. Let's let each other get familiar, like who you are, which year you are, and what's your major, and tell me some experience and thoughts about your personal training and your running working experience. And testing questions. Second step is to I'm gonna observe. I'm gonna observe the how they interact, engage, and disengage with my product. And post-testing question is the final step to gather the feedback from the former 2 steps. Like, why did you click that area, and why you feel confused, why you need to go to that place, and which do you like less, which do you like most. The survey with 15 to 20 plus participants is created by Google Form. There are some 10 or 10 plus questions. I'm really on it. They're precise and special questions which can get meaningful and useful information from this survey, from this 15 participants. Step 3 and 4, theoretically, we should be 3 and 4 to optimize the app. So step 3 is a process of design, test, unstoppable. We have 5 participants and trainers, and we're going to do usability testing. And step 4, after 3, we should do data analysis from using. I think it is step up publishing on the App Store, but actually we cannot publish on the App Store. So the step 3 and 4, the basic thing should be meet in person, but we cannot meet in person. So I'm thinking about a plan B. My plan B is going back to step 1 and 2. By using Zoom, screen sharing my stimulator I showed you before, let them engage and I click where they want. So I know where they should go, where they would go, and their needs. And when they ask me questions, I know when and where they feel confused. The crucial thing is I'm gonna ask a lot of why in their interviews to uncover, to explore their basic needs from bottom of their heart. So this is my demo of GoTrainer beta presentation. You can see my development and where I am and where I want to go and upcoming user testing plans.